everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Charlotte. We are working on the first of these little waterfall, the first of two little waterfall giveaways. I was doing this over the weekend, just grabbing bits and pieces when I had time, and then got to the decorating part. There's still a couple I'm like, let's get it together here. There's still a couple tags that we need to do, but I just thought, let's turn the camera on. Let's do this. I'm just going to make an announcement. I think I'll talk probably more about it on Friday, but we are going to keep Index Card Friday. There are so many people that I heard from that love that day, look forward to that day. So we're going to keep on going, and it is okay because I have quite a few index cards left to use. So we'll just keep going till we can't go anymore. Do I hear clapping out there? I think I do. I just made a lot of people happy, and I'm happy too. So we are good. This is the cover. I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and put gold glitter on this. Embossing glitter, so it's not going to flake off. But look at, for a cover, wouldn't that just be so cute? So we are going to do that. I made that decision, and I did quite a bit on this book. I had gotten into my scraps. I think this is going to be a tag, and I'm going to put this on the front. So let's do that, but this is pretty thin, and so I think we're going to put some paper, coffee tea dyed paper, or some kind of something on the back that you can write on and make it just a little bit thicker. So let's do that together. Of course, as soon as I start the camera, the neighbor's dog starts in. Oh, I don't know how anyone can stand to just listen to a dog bark forever and ever. It's the most annoying thing ever. It's a beautiful day outside, but they still don't like being out by themselves, so they're letting their little voices be heard. I'm hoping you can't hear it. This doesn't bother you, and we can just proceed. Just took the glue stick and got this on there. Try to get all my little wrinkles out. Sometimes that works, and sometimes it doesn't. I think we're pretty good. So we're going to cut this out and see if we want to put a ribbon on it. I did find the cutest little tree that I thought I would layer over the top. In my stash, I found a bag of little stickers, not stickers, but little pieces of ephemera, I guess you'd call them. So we have a cute piece of Christmas paper, and I thought this has just a couple little red pieces in it, berries, and I just thought that this would be really sweet. Let me see how this fits in here, because I do think we want, yeah, let's put some type of a ribbon at the top, something up there. But I'm going to use the wet glue to glue this down. Then I thought also about putting some glitter on this, and I thought, no, when you're using a tag that is going in a pocket, sometimes what you do is you end up rubbing the glitter off as you're putting your tag in and out of the pocket. And I thought, no, that doesn't really sound like a great idea to me. So I decided not to do that. And I think we're going to put our ribbon right through the top of this star. Let's see. Yep, just like that. So let's see what we have. I've got this whole nest, literally. And I've got that really pretty piece. So I think I can use this 2 separate pieces. I'm going to go this way. I think that's perfect. You don't really need more than that, I don't think. And also, I think let's round these corners. Sometimes these tags just they're too squared off. It's nice to occasionally just vary it. That looks, I think, much better. That's the back. I'm not doing any distressing. So that fits in there. That is so cute. All right, so there's page 1. Then I did use some Tim Holtz rub-ons, and I used washi tape. Did the same thing on this as I did with the larger one, the larger Waterfall journal, and washi tape and rub-ons. Then this page is done, of course, with the little red truck. Then I have these cute little pieces right here that you can play around with. And those go in there. And then we have to and from sticky labels there. So that page is done. Then on this one, we've got this cute tag here. And I think let's put a charm. What do you think? I think that it's a giveaway. Let's have a charm. And then there's a sticker there. So that's kind of cute. So let's do a charm. So we're going to punch a hole. And I think because you do have a charm that is going to be moving, we need an eyelet. Because otherwise it is probably going to wear down the paper, and I don't want that to be an issue. So let's get this on. Let's see, one more squeeze. There, we're good to go. And because it will lay this way, we are going to come in from this side here. So do I want, you could do a Christmas tree. How about a Christmas tree and a little bell? That would be really cute. Or we could do candy cane. We could do one of these Tim Holtz. I think the Christmas tree and the jingle bell. So then we need pliers and we need all kinds of good stuff. So let's see. How about a large one, and then see what I've got. Okay. The jingle bell has a jump ring on it. So let's see, what was I thinking? Here's the jingle bell. What was I thinking? Okay, I think what I'm going to do is put that Christmas tree charm on this smaller jump ring and put it on the larger jump ring. That's what I was thinking. So, of course, I have no fingernails. I don't like fingernails, as you well know, because they just get in the way of everything. I think they're beautiful on other people. Not me. Not me. So I just don't want to take the time to have to take care of them. Constantly getting your nails done. No, it's too much pressure and too much stress for me. I can't handle it. Okay, this is so cute. Now I'll put this on like this. Put that in there and close this up. Yeah, I had fingernails once, and I really, really loved them when I was working. I loved them. They were so pretty, and they made your jewelry look so nice. But every time I looked at my hands, I felt like, oh, you've got to make an appointment, and it got to be too stressful for me. And now, because you're in glue, and especially the fabric glue, it takes the polish right off. So I don't, I just can't handle that. So for those of you out there with beautiful nails that can handle it, I'm so happy for you, and I wish I could, but I can't. I'm not going to worry about it. So what do you think? Oh my goodness, guys, come on. What is not to love about that? So there we go. We've got that. That is on there. Cute giveaway. Then we have this really cute tag. And I'm not going to put anything up at the top because the top literally goes towards the spine. But I have this other tree, and I just thought that would be cute here. So let's do that. Let's put this on there. And I looked for some more little twine. The red and white twine, baker's twine, but I used it all in the large waterfall journal. So I don't have any more of that, but that's okay. If this was not going to be a tag, it'd be really cute if it was popped up. And once again, too, I thought about doing the glitter on this, but no, because of the same reason. Could do a little bow. That would be cute, and it wouldn't be in the way. So let's see if I can take this and do a little bow. Oh my gosh, I can't, guys. Look at that. I did it. Let's see if it's too big. That going up. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Let's do that. That is really cute. We'll just put that there like, oh yeah, it just gives it a little bit of something extra. So let's get into our Fabri-Tac and glue this on right up here at the top. That should be enough. I'm going to say the same thing I say every year. I think next year I'm going to start my Christmas in September so that we can get a lot more made. So cute. I hope whoever wins this. I was thinking about making this the giveaway draw interactive, and then I decided against it. And I'm probably pulling names from index card comments. So I will be sure to let you know what index card to comment on to be able to go into this giveaway. I'm hoping that I can get the other book done as well because I really wanted 2 of these. That's cute, and I think I'm safe if I turn the page, so let's go ahead. Then I used this as a tuck, thought that was really cute, and have these two little tags. This says, "'Tis the season." And then this is kind of raised, so that's kind of cool. So we have that, and then maybe on that I should, let's see, where are my Santas? Well, instead of that, I think what I'll do is to keep this down, let's use one of our little clothespins. Isn't that cute? There we go. So cute. So there's a clothespin. Here is an example of what I did with the Tim Holtz rub-ons. These are just words where you could cut off just a phrase and use them individually, but I used the whole strip. Some of them have a single and some are like this with a double. And this has a really cute little piece of chipboard. It's a penguin, I believe, with a little hat on, and I put a candy cane there. I punched bubbles on both sides of that, and then this is the tag for that. Actually, there's 2 tags. Isn't that just the cutest paper? And I went ahead and I put the coffee tea-dyed on the back of that too. So that fits in there with some eyelash trim. And then on this side, we have a candy cane, and I went ahead and I took the crystal and I embellished the little peppermints. And then I added a candy cane foam embellishment to this, and did coffee tea dye paper. This will open up, and then I did a holly punch on that side. So that is so cute. Then here's washi tape, candy cane washi tape. Here is a single line. We've got Merry Christmas washi here. And here is a die cut, and what I did, I loaded this up with all sorts of little stamps that I had cut out, and little tags that I cut out. Hopefully you can use. Then on this side, here's a Santa. I had this. I thought that made a cute little tag. So we've got that there. And maybe just take a die cut and add a little gingerbread man, because you could embellish this if you wanted to. And or use this as a tag as well. So he could be in there like that. That's so cute. And maybe also I have this tag here. That's really pretty. So let's put that in there as well, and that can be used. It's pretty heavy, so you can play around with that. So that is good to go. Then we have this here that's got, this is a pocket. It's got 2 tags, Merry and Bright. I left this like this, but I thought if you wanted to, if you had children or whatever, this would be really cute. Let them color in these ornaments with a marker or crayon. And then this flips up so that you've got some journal space there. So we need to hang something off of here. And then I found this Deck the Halls, and I thought that would be really cute on there. So let's glue this down. This has a tendency to want to warp up, so I think when we glue this down, we need to put an alligator clip or two on here until it grabs. And while we're waiting for that to dry, we can add something to this paper clip. So I want to make sure that I leave enough room that we can put that paper clip on there. So let's see what we've got. That's not going to work, Charlotte. This will work, though. I think this will work, especially if we do that. And then I've got another large one. Yeah. I just lost something. I don't know what it is, but I think it's a die cut. It is. Let me grab this really quick, guys, before I forget it's there. It's a die cut Christmas tree. It could get sucked up in the vacuum. And, well, that wasn't what it was. So, oh, here it is. It's a die cut candy cane. So for sure it could get sucked up in the vacuum. So there we go. So we have that. So let's have something that hangs from this paper clip. And maybe, oh, here we've got another die cut, kind of like a belly band. So cute. That would be a cute place to use that. And possibly another one of these. So what do we want to hang off of here? I do have one of these wooden things like I had on, I think it's way too big. So maybe we will use one of these, Believe, Holiday, Joyful. I think Holiday. Let's just use Holiday and hang that from there. So once again, we need our goodies. Our jump ring. Some of these jump rings I had bought the wrong thing, and they have two wires where you put something on and have to make it go around. Very, very difficult for as tiny as they are. I don't know if I'll ever be using them. Not worried about it, but we need the pliers back. And I think instead of this large one, we can use two smaller ones. Let's see. I don't know if you can tell how that's a double, kind of like a keychain. You know, when you put your keys and you have to separate it and then it goes around. That's what these are. Not sure how I would ever use those. But I have to root through here to find the ones that are not like that. That's a single. Okay. Just bear with me. Thank you for bearing with me. We are going to use two. We don't have to, but I find with two, the charm lays much better than it does with just one. And I'm pretty sure Tim Holtz, let me check this out before I say it, is on both sides. It may not be. Nope, just one. So I'm going to try to get it to go the right way, but it doesn't really matter. we'll get that on there. Get this second one on there. Close this up. Try to make sure that this is together. And we should be good because this should now just attach to the paper clip and be good to go. So we'll check out which way it lays. If I have it like that, has a tendency, well, there's the front, no, there's the back. So if I turn it around, there's the back for sure. So we'll go this way and we'll just keep our fingers crossed. So we'll put this on. And there we go. All right, that is so cute. So I think this will be okay to take off. Cute, cute page right there. And if it bothers you that your paper clip is not up all the way, you can move it to, and it does not bother me at all, but just move it here and then you can be all the way up. Anything just to keep this closed. So we have that, and then we are looking at if we're going to put anything in here. Well, let's look at some of the things that we have. How about a couple tickets? Look at that, how cute these are. I'll put this in there. There's a couple tickets. And what else do I have? Things over here I think are too big. See if I have anything tiny in here we can use. I know I'm off camera. Just checking. This looks like handmade paper. This is really, really cute. Let's see, it may not fit. But it does. That's really cute. And then there's this larger ticket. Look how cute this is. That's adorable. I'll put that in there. So that's chock full of sweetness. Then there we go. Then this piece here, what I did with this, I should put something on that, is that I made it so that this opens up and this opens up. So you have a little pocket here with a couple little tags in it and a little pocket here with a couple little tags in it. This will not open this way because of this tab. So you have to open it like this, and then we have this. So let's find something to put inside of there. I really kind of like this because it's red and white. If I just fold it like that, it's kind of candy cane, and you can journal in that, so that's cute. And there's a just a note with, let's go ahead and turn it this way. That is really cute. We'll put that there. And I think that's probably gonna just be cute enough. Let's see here. I know I'm off camera. Hold on, guys. I'm looking for treasures. Finding treasures. How about that? Isn't that cute? So let's put that there. So if we, I think instead of the paper clip, let's use another one of these. Let's use another one of these and forget the paper clip because I like that better. Then on this page, we need a tag. So let's see if I've got something. How about this? Anybody'd love this, and you've got washi tape here to use if you want. So let's put this in there, see if this will fit. It's pretty stiff, and I think, yeah, that's really, really cute. So that for sure. And then this is the back page, and I came across this, fell in love with it. This is a pocket, and I'm thinking I wanted to go ahead and glue this down because it gives this some color. This is really cute, but I think this makes it cuter. And then you've got a Christmas tree here, and I outlined it with glitter. So this is just kind of, you lift this off and you just have something else to look at that I think is really cute. So let's see if we have to make a tag or if I can find a tag. If I can find a tag, that will be better. This is pretty paper. Let's see what we've got. I think maybe, yeah, one of these. These are always nice. You know, you can find this in the mail a lot of times. This is always nice. So let's see what we can do. If we can make this fit so that it looks good. Look at how cute. I think we'll just fold it in quarters. This just gives you extra space to be able to jot down maybe a recipe that you love or something along those lines. Let's do this one into thirds. This has got, will that fit in there? This has just got the cutest snowman. Hopefully I made it so this will fit. I think so. That's so cute. And this is really cute. Let's make a booklet, another booklet out of this. Gives you a different color. Like that. So let's go through this and see. Look at how cute that is, guys. It is really, 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 really festive and really cute. And we're going to put this on the front. And I'm going to do that off camera simply because I need the heat gun. And I don't want you to have to listen to that. So this will be your cover, and it will be in gold. Then you've got this here, which is adorable. And I think I'll go ahead and I'll get the glossy accents and I will do this candy cane. Then you've got this here. So I'm going to consider this done. This giveaway is done. So here is giveaway 1. And now I need to pull out the next one and do it. Yeah, really cute. Really, really cute. I think somebody could have a lot of fun with this. For sure. All right. So I will finish this. Oh, It is cute, guys. That is really cute. Oh, I will do this. We have to add some beads and another charm and jingle bells on these tails. So I will do that off camera. I will do this off camera. And then I will show this once again so that you can see it. I hope you enjoyed this. We will be working on the next one. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Have a great week. Hugs. Bye now.